Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 3, which consists of 5 people. In this video, we will show you how to make fried rice. So, for the ingredients, there is rice, eggs, cucumber, red onion, chili, salsa, salt, oil, and soy sauce. Steps: put the pan on the stove and pour a little oil to salt the spices and fry the rice. Enter the spices that have been in the pure, stir fry until fragrant. And don't forget to enter salsa and salt. Add egg and stir until it forms small granules. If the egg have become small grains, add rice and stir again. Add soy sauce and cucumber, then stir. When it's cooked, put it on a plate, and fried rice is ready for you to eat.